All right, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. It is now May 4th. If you remember, we stuck the plants in their little hoop houses on April 24th, and it's been cloudy ever since. Today's our first day of good sunshine. Might flirt with 70 degrees today. But no, it didn't snow. We're spreading our perlite in Eriville. So what we're doing today, we got the Scott spreader out. Took a soil test down to Uncle Luke's in Rochester, Michigan. Dale gave me some suggestions, and I liked his suggestions. Here's a product I love, Azomite. Azomite is a product that I always throw in my gardens. Minerals, calcium, very good product. Yeah, Troy, Michigan. Did I say Rochester? Yeah. It's right down by Rochester, Michigan.
Right beside it.
Aragonite? It's shell flour. Guaranteed analysis, 33% calcium. The calcium in our sand here, this is sandy soil, was really low. So there's our calcium. Azomite is our minerals. We're throwing down some sulfur and some magnesium. And don't forget your manganese. Manganese is always the best. Hellman's, Kraft, get your manganese. No, just kidding. That's a different product. But anyways, we mixed them all together. And there you go, there you have it. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and walk it and evenly spread it uniform over the patch. We got a tiller here, we got Eri's tiller. And we've got the extra heavy duty chain drive. Went and rented this, $40 for a half-day rental. And we have a load of compost coming Tuesday morning, Eri. You gotta get out of bed, you filthy animal. Yeah. All right, because they're coming here at 8 o'clock. Tuesday morning with 5 yards of compost to spread on our 3,000 square feet. Because we have a very sandy base. I'm mostly going to rely on Mark's mixes to hydroponically feed the plants for the most part. But just in case we have a rainy, wet season and I can't feed as much as I like through the drip tape irrigation. And Eri's raised tank that we put up a couple years back. If you check out our last video, we'll link this back to the video from 2 years ago, Eriville, Station 15. How many gallons? That's 250 gallon tank. I think I calculated it closer to 300, but anyways, we're somewhere between 250 and 300. And we will check that out this summer. But there you go. And check out our last video and stay tuned. Subscribe to your channel. We're gonna grow some giant pumpkins. Here at Eriville, we don't have trains like at Bubba's house, but I think I hear I think I hear the Red Baron. Is that the Red Baron? Snoopy. So anyhow, in this summer, don't forget, we're going to talk to Eri about the Summer of Love, 1967. And Eri was out in California. What are you going to tell us today about the Summer of Love, Eri?
I was nuts, man. Thought I was on Mars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was it like out there in Sam Frog's Disco?
Well, I was in the Army. We used to go up there on the weekends. I don't know how I got back to Fort Ord.
No?
Don't remember how getting back.
They say if you remember the 70s, you weren't there.
The 60s.
But we're talking 67.
Yeah, the 60s, yeah.
That's pre-70s. Yeah. All right. Well, we want to thank you, Eri, for going to Vietnam and fighting for your country. We appreciate that, your service. We thank you. And hey, stay tuned. We're going to get more stories from Eri this summer. Some stories about Jimi Hendrix and Mama Cass and Janis Joplin. Anyways, tomorrow we're going to stick some different plants in here. So stay tuned. We'll have a transplanting video tomorrow. Join us, WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, where you never know what's going to fall out of the sky and land on your patch. All right, talk to you soon, man. Keep them growing.